In this lesson, I will explain to you the border features which is located in the font group. And font group you can find out by clicking on the Home tab. So keep in mind whatever function you have to perform in a Microsoft Excel, you have to select your data. So this is my data. I have selected my data. Then you have to open this arrow and there are different options of borders. So if I will click all borders, this one, then you can see that there is a border in cell and rows as well. Right? If suppose you do not want this border, open this and there is a no border. This option is also available. Click on no border. Now see I do not have any border. One more time I will open this for you, and if you see that you need outside borders only, so click on the outside border, then you can have only outside border, not the inside border. Next time if you want a thick line, thick outside border, see you can see this is thick, so just click here and then you can have a thick border here. So you can play, open this and there are different options. Here is bottom border, top border, which I will show you later on. But if you want to draw your own border, see first I will make it no border and now you say I want to make my own border. What you have to do, select your data, open this, right? Here in draw borders, here is the draw border option. Click here and then you can draw your border. See now if you want to make lines like this individually, yes you can do, but it is time consuming, right? If you want to do all this in one shot, so what you have to do, you have to click draw border grid and click it. When I will make it, so you will see in one shot we have all borders here. How simple it is, right? Suppose if you want to delete some border, this column border you do not want, so what you have to do, open this and this erase border. Whatever function you are performing, you can see the symbol will come up here. Initially it was the border symbol, now we have the eraser symbol. So suppose you do not want this border, click here, it is deleted. If you want to delete some individual border of the cell, it's gone. If you do not want this one, this one, or if you do not want this all border of the first column, it's gone. If you do not want any other particular rows border, it's gone, right? So from where? From eraser. Now I will erase all this border, right? And I am going to select my data one more time. Why? Because I will show you that here is the line color as well and line style. So what is the meaning of this? Suppose if I need my all borders here and I want to change the color, open this line color, I said I need red color, right? Again you have to paste here like this. If you want that my line style, there are different styles. I say I like this double line, so click here and then you have to apply here, it's double line. Open this one more time and then you can find out more borders here. When you will click on more border, then this dialog box will open and there is different functions, fill, protection, font, which we will discuss later on. Each and everything we will discuss, right? But today's our focus is only on borders. So see here, if I will close this, the same function, because in Microsoft Excel you can perform one function by using three different ways. Another way is go to the Home tab and in cells, in cell group, open this format and the last one is the format cell. Same thing is here. This time suppose you said I want my this blue color, right? And this is for none. If you do not want any border, this is none. If you want only the outside border, this is the outside border. If you want inside border, this is the inside border. Again none, right? In the beginning I said I will show you the border, top border. This is the top border. If you do not want, just here. This is the middle border, bottom border, right, left, and this is the right, and this is the vertical center border. And these are the different diagonals, but we are not going to use, so none. We are going to use this and this, right? And if you want, I will show you here, fill, if you want that my all cell should be filled by yellow, whatever, it's here, and okay. Now see, the border is there. If you want to change the color again, you can do it from here as well. So open this, and here I said I do not want any color. So like this, I only want to give color to my first row. Open this and make it yellow. Right? If you want to change the color, this is red. So this is for the text color. What color you want? This, or I say white. No, white is not good. Okay, blue is fine. If you want to change the color of some particular row, this and like this, whatever color you want, I will show you, not only yellow, this time this. If you want this column color should be different, like this, and what color you want, see here, right? The third way is right click on your picture and see, this is the format cells again. So we can have the same palette one more time by using the third different way. So in this lesson, you have learned the border features, right? Border features which are located in the font group. Now please practice it. Subscribe to my channels. See you in the next lesson, and thank you.